Hey, are you a real estate investor looking for more cash flow, looking to buy more assets, own the asset, create legacy wealth? Well, welcome to The Modern. The Modern is a value-add apartment building in Lakewood, Ohio. And we stepped in as a private lender to help this real estate investor acquire this building. She was able to buy the property for $585,000, scheduled to put in about $155,000, so all in for about $730 grand, with an after repaired value of over $1 million. They're actually gonna take these units, they're gonna fix up the kitchens, fix up the bathrooms, fix some of the outside of the property, some of the tuck pointing, some of the mortar, create new landscaping, new outdoor environments, and they're gonna be able to increase the rents. Now check this out, increase the rents from $600 a month to over $1,300 a month. This will become one of Lakewood, Ohio's premier apartment buildings. The Modern is going to be modernized using some of our capital, some of our private money. So if you're looking to do more deals like this, if you're looking to invest in value-add apartments and you need some coaching, some help, some mentoring, visit us online at joshcantwellcoaching.com. Not only will we help you to find deals like this, but also get the funding, structure the deal. Not only that, but we can step in and also help you provide the funding, both your first mortgage debt and your equity down payment and your rehab. So I look forward to showing you this property, not only now when we've acquired it, but also when it's all fixed, completed, and 100% occupied.